In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make beautiful motif made in Bruges Lace technique. You can make it of one color of yarn or two colors of yarn. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 of them for the double crochet stitches and other for the chain space. Make 4 double crochet in a row. Begin from the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 rows of work and 4 double crochet in a row. Then chain of 7. 2 rows of work and double crochet into each of next 4 stitches. Let's stop and look what we have. This is the beginning of the work. As you can see, we have got 2 chain spaces made of 7 chains on one side and 7 chain space on the other one. This is the inside part. Then you should make 16 such chain spaces on this side. 2 are done, we need to do 14 chain spaces. I have done 16 chain spaces on one side and 15 chain spaces on inside. Now I'm going to work with torn. I use first 3 chain spaces. Next 3 chain spaces I will use for the joining. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop. I use 3 chain spaces. We have 4 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through. The turn is ready. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 rows of work and 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 7. 2 rows of work, 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 3. Now I'm going to make the joining. Make single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3, turn the work and 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 7, turn the work and 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 3, work with next chain space, make single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3, turn the work, 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 7 for a chain space, turn the work, 4 double crochet, chain of 3, make double crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3, make 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 7, make 4 double crochet in a row, let's stop and look what we have. Here how it looks. After we have done the turn, we made the joining in 3 points. After the last joining, we need to do 9 chain spaces. As you can see, I have done 9 chain spaces on each side. And now I need to sew 2 pieces together. Here how the motif looks like. I have sewn 2 pieces together. Then I show you how to make the center of this motif. We continue the work in the next part. Thanks for watching.